How to report a video on Likee app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to report Likee app videos easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Likee and scroll over until you find a video you don't want. For example, not interested in. Let's choose this one. All you need to do is click on the share icon and you're gonna find this list. You can scroll over until you find report. Once you find it, click and you now choose the reason why you are reporting this post and wait for a second. Now you choose why you are reporting, for example, hate speech or something. If this is not your reason, click on the last option, which is something else, and this is how you report this video. Easy and quick. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to subscribe and like.